All right, I'm going to show you guys 12 foot 5/8 on the lid by myself using that little board mate. Don't got no wall to help. No wall to help. And yeah, the installation sucks. But there it is. One itty bitty bitty cutout. What, 8 inches of 13/2. Little speaker wire hole. Ain't nothing. All right. Got for nails. Of course, it's the end of the day. Oh, twice in a row, eh? There. Board mate. Hey, where's my partner? Oh, hey, board mate. Little gap. No problem, you gotta fix it. Board mate, you didn't close your gap, man. Huh. There we go. What? Wait. Whoa, layup changes. God, board mate, can you nail your nails next time? Yeah. At least get them the right marks. Nah, I'm just being silly, but for real. This little guy. I think it was like $8 on eBay. You get 2 of them, but I lost one. Get one. Amazing what a little piece of plastic can do.